Catering to the needs of a family of 5, VUx House is a 1,076 square feet residence that is divided into 3 distinct sections: the front, the back, and the center. To address the issue of limited light and ventilation, the center section of the house was sacrificed to create an open skybox that allows natural light and refreshing wind to enter from above. The ground floor of the house lacks much except for an exterior parking area, which is separated from the house by a red brick wall to prevent toxins from the vehicles entering. Moving inward, there is a temporary seating area with a glass light well on the ceiling, which houses a fish pond. On the first floor, the front of the house consists of a common room and kitchen area. Across the hallway, there is a small bedroom. In addition to serving as a way to cool the house, the aforementioned pond also serves as a way for the family members to relax. Instead of a solid concrete base, the family's aquarium has a glass bottom, allowing light to filter through and reach the ground level. The master bedrooms are located at the front of the second and third floors, while the secondary bedrooms are situated at the back. These rooms are connected by a bridge corridor featuring wood flooring and a glass handrail. Various plants and trees are strategically placed on each level for soothing atmosphere and healthy environment. On the fourth floor, 85 design incorporates insulated glass, allowing ample natural light to enter while protecting against harmful UV rays. Utilizing advanced technology, the roof can be automatically opened or closed depending on the weather conditions. This, combined with the natural light, facilitates photosynthesis for the plants, and an automated watering system simplifies the planting process.